Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to kill every Breath of the Wild mini-boss in under 30 seconds. Let's go over some criteria. First, it has to be under 30 seconds from the first hit immediately to the last hit. Second, I can't use IST or WMC or anything of the sort. And third, no attack up food. I can use other types of food, but I chose not to. First up, we have the Molduga. Just use Daruk's protection to have it launch you into the air and just bombard it with arrows. Like, that's literally it. Look at this. There's a long break between switching arrows as well. I actually run out of stamina at one point. That was pretty close to the ground anyway. But look at this. I'm just shooting it with more and more arrows. Until he dies. 1849. Look how fast that was. Next up, we have the Hinox. First, you want to get decently close to it and shoot it in the eye with regular arrows. Then walk in between its legs and start spin attacking it with a powerful weapon. Make sure you don't hit the leg with the wooden brace on it, because that won't do any damage. If he gets up, shoot him in the eye again. Just make sure not to get hit by a sitting attack. Then start spin attacking again. This time I hit him in the right leg. And a Hinox is killed in 21.24. Next up, we have the Stone Talus. I honestly thought this one was going to be really hard, but it was way easier than I expected. Just use Rivali's Gale or something to get on top of it, and then spin attack its weak point with a strong weapon. Look at that. Under 4 seconds, an entire Stone Talus. To be fair, it's a Great Plateau one, but whatever. And finally, we have a Lionel. Just use an Ancient Arrow. And that's it. It was a pretty short video, but a fun one to make, so I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe for more.